guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Alicia. You guys, today I am coming with a quick grocery haul from Sam's Club. I will include the prices on the screen. I just didn't get a chance to do my intro, so I wanted to stop in here really quickly and say hello, show my face. You know that I'm still getting over from this sinus infection, so I will sound quite nasally in the video, so please forgive that. Thank you also to anybody that looked at the last video that I did, the penicillin soup recipe. Is so good. It's a delicious soup. If you're interested in that, I will link it in this video as well. And then if you have a Target near you and you want to order that as like a drive up pickup or a delivery order, you can. I have the full shopping list linked in the comments of that video. And girl, do yourself a favor and get that soup for the season. Anyway, I am currently cooking dinner and getting the kids ready to eat and sending them off to bed after their baths. And I just wanted to stop in and say hey, show my face, and just say thank you to anyone that wished me well wishes on the last video. I appreciate that love and support. Anyway, you guys stay tuned. So starting out, you guys, I have these Genio 93% lean and 7% fat, no antibiotic ever ground turkey. I absolutely love these for like turkey taco bowls or chili or anything like that. And I'm actually going to be making some stuffed bell peppers. So I'm going to be using some andouille sausage, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use the beef or the turkey, but we'll figure that out later. So as you saw, I have the andouille sausage by Holmes. I also have here some ground beef, and this one was $16.10, and you got the 3 packs. I got the party wings, organic party wings. They were $14.60, and you got the 3 packs there. We picked up the bacon, classic cut bacon, hickory smoke. I was looking for the applewood, but they did not have that. So we did pick up this, and we got the 3 packs there as well. And let me go ahead and move on to the next items. So I separated all of my meat that I'm going to keep in the house, and then I have this meat that I'm going to be adding into my freezer and refrigerator outside. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator. All right, you guys, so moving on to more cold stuff so I can go ahead and put it away because it's a very hot day in Houston. We got some Activia. I pretty much got this for myself. I love that it is supporting gut health, and it tastes pretty good to me. My husband does not like Activia, so he actually likes Greek, the honey vanilla flavor, and I like this one too, but I just didn't want it this time. We picked up some cheese, fruit, and nut snacks. And you guys, excuse the nasaliness. I'm still trying to get over this sinus infection. I have started to take some Z-Pack antibiotics, so I'm just glad to be up and about now and getting my more content out to you guys. I have picked up the Jimmy Dean sweet maple griddle cakes. These have cheese, sausage, maple pancakes, and egg. The kids love the Uncrustables, and it's the strawberry flavor. We picked up a big pack of the corn dogs, and this is with the real honey. We also picked up these cookie dough pack. It comes with 3 packs. You get 12 Reese's Pieces, 12 Oreo, 12 Munster, and they're the big cookies, so you get 36 of them. We got almond milk. We picked up the Members Mark Rising Crust Pepperoni Pizzas, and you get 3 in the pack, and I believe they're all pepperoni. We got the Halloween Munsters Glogurt, and this is a 32 pack. Me and hubby wanted to try these because we do like Main Squeeze Juice Bar in the Houston area, but that can get a little pricey. So I saw these, and we actually were like, yeah, let's grab that. The organic Acai bowls, and these are topped with fruit and granola. The kids love smoothies. We love smoothies, so let's try these out. They're the fruit smoothies by the Members Mark, and you get 12 of them in several different flavors. They have Mega Mango, Strawberry Banana, Berry Mix, and Green Boost. And they have all of the different fruits and vegetables in them. And we got 2 of those. So I wanted to show you all what the acai bowls look like on the inside. I was curious myself. So it comes with the individual packs of granola. And then you get the 4 bowls like this. And the instruction says you have to thaw it out. So the thawing instructions, it says to thaw it recommended on the countertop for 75 minutes. And then stir and let thaw an additional 15 to 30 minutes. So this is not something you want to grab when you're on the way to work, girl. You definitely want to have some time on your hand. This is like I'm gonna relax and chill and have me an acai bowl in about an hour type of treat. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. All right, you guys, so these are some of the drinks that we got really quick. We got some Nesquik, and this is a 15 pack here. 15 pack of Nesquik. We got the Capri Sun 40 pouches. It comes with fruit punch, strawberry, kiwi, and Pacific Cooler, which is a classic going back to when I was a kid. Body Armor, zero sugar for me and hubby. I already showed y'all these. I don't know why I had all the juices separated, but we picked up these Snapples, which they had a taste test inside the store, and they were really good. The Snapple Apple, delicious. It was the 24 mini packs, and you get 12 of each. Alright, so moving on, you guys, I got stuff everywhere. You can pretty much see the whole kitchen is full of food and snacks and stuff. This is the snack portion here. I picked up the Pirates Booty 40 count. At first we had the chips, but the kids said they didn't want the chips. They preferred the Pirates Booty. And hey, I'm like, girl, okay, y'all want something healthy? I'm all for it. And I picked these up. I thought me and hubby might like these garden veggie puffs, but also the kids may like them also. And again, it's something that's healthy. It's baked, never fried. We also got the Go-Go Squeeze. It's the 32 pack, 8 strawberry apple, 8 give me 5, 8 apple, and 8 apple cinnamon. So they like that. I also picked up the Dole gel selection, 8 of the diced peaches and 8 of the mandarin. The kids like that. We also picked up these Kellogg special. I don't know if y'all remember me showing you these in another haul, but these are 100 calorie little pastries. I like these better than I like the Pop-Tarts. This just is the healthier option. Less sugar, less carbs, just better. And then we got the Little Bites. Of course, we had to get that. The kids are never going to leave without the Little Bites. And these are these birthday cake or party cake muffins. So moving on to the healthy vegetables and fruit section, you guys, I picked up these baby carrots, organic baby bunny love carrots, Mr. Lucky's celery sticks. I picked up the bell peppers, some blackberries, envy apples, and these are the 4-pound bags. The bell peppers, you get 5 of them, 5 big bell peppers. Of course, we got to get the cuties, and then we picked up some Pretty Lady Autumn Crisp grapes. I picked this up so I can make some more of that soup. If you have not seen the penicillin soup recipe that I did, definitely check it out because that soup is so delicious and comforting. It is very healing. It has great healing properties. And then if you look at that video, I left the whole shopping list to Target, so you can just add it, drop it in your basket, and do a drive-through pickup. All of the links are in there, and plus it's Circle Week, so you can get some discounts as well if you check that out in my link underneath the video, which I will tag on this video as well. I'm not even sure if I mentioned these at all, but my husband picked these up. These are the Suja Organic Mighty Dozen cold pressed juices. And I know that we had got the smoothies, but we also got some juice too. These have apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collards, and lemon. So you can't beat that. So we also picked these up. They had the little machine that was giving out samples, and we tried it. It gave us 2 samples, you know, when you swipe or scan your membership card. And once we tried them, the kids really liked it. It pops in your mouth. It's a boost of vitamin C. And since we are right here coming into the winter season and flu season, all those different types of season, girl, go ahead and get your zinc and your vitamin C up to go up to par. And I'm going to link these down below as well. These are some of the snack items I picked up for me and hubby. We both love beef jerky. We both love beef jerky, and so we got the Members Mark steak, the original cut. I really wanted it to have some flavor on it, but all of the ones that we like are like teriyaki or sweet A1 type stuff like that, thick and hearty, with the sweet flavors, and we really don't need all that sugar. So I really like these. They didn't have any type of sugar or anything in them. So we picked those up. When we were in Florida, just a few weeks ago, we had these when we were on the beach, and we loved them, and also the kids really loved them. So we picked these up. Mozzarella with it wrapped in the uncured pepperoni. We are big nutties over here. We love some nuts. And so we were overlooking at the nuts, and there was a lady there, and we had already picked these up, and she was like, girl, grab 2 bags, because her and her husband sit up in the midnight hour and they just be munching on these. So me and hubby, we like little munchies and snacks and stuff we can just sit around and have. So we picked that up. This is the Wild Roots Omega Powerhouse Trail Mix. Look at that. So delicious. So delicious. It has almonds, protein chocolate flavored chips, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, granola clusters, which is protein, strawberry flavored cranberries, banana chips, banana flavored clusters, and strawberry. So yeah. And this one is a no sugar added one. We picked this up as well. It only has 2 net carbs. Cinnamon pecan for the season, girl. And I'm going over here to the pecan again, almond pecan crunch. And I've already tried these. They're very, very good. So I made sure to get a bag of those. Hubby wanted to get these little baby Bell cheeses. He likes these little snack cheeses with meat or whatever. So also, because we got a working man in the house, he wanted some more snacks with nuts and just protein, and this is going to be it. So he picked these bars up, the Better Nut Bar. There was actually another bar, and this one's Member Mark. There was another one in there. I wish I had recorded it, but it was the same thing, but it had so much more sugar and so many more carbs and stuff. Hold on. Yep, I'm doing a video. Lastly, we got some coffee. We picked up some Rouse. This is going to be for those stuffed peppers. Got the Cocoa Pebbles for the kids. So I saw these cute organic cotton pajama sets for the kiddos. I thought this was a pretty pattern. They had several patterns for the girls at my location, but they only had this one pattern for the boys. And even though they had several patterns for the girls, my girls wanted the same exact one. They might have well as been twins, y'all. 13 months apart, but they just love matching. So they picked up the same exact one, and they're very cute. You get 4 pieces, 2 tops and 2 bottoms, and both of the sets. So you see. So here's what the pattern looks like. It's super, super cute. Very cute. It is a Members Mark brand. So adorable. Here is the other pattern, you guys. Super, super cute. I just love the blues and the pinks and the yellows. It's so adorable to me. And I cannot wait till the girls get in the bath and put these on already. They're so cute. I just love to see them in like new pajamas and just cozy. It just does something to you to just be in something fresh and new for the season. Here's the one from my binky boy. Cute dinosaurs with the stripes and the army green color. So cute. It's still a nice fall color. And then this is the other one. So cute. I don't know why the material feels different. This material feels a little bit more harder than this lighter material. This lighter material is a little bit more softer. Anyway, I really like the deal that I got on here, and you'll see the price on the screen. Look at how cute this cute little plaid flannel shacket is. Oh my goodness, you guys. When I saw this, I said it has to be a whole set, and thank goodness it was a whole set to go with it. We found these cute little pants. These are the Member Mark brands, and this is a shacket here, size 6X. It came with these 3 packs of leggings. Cute. Look at the color purple and the little moon face. And then check this out. So this is what I picked up to go with it. So cute. This one says keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. I absolutely love this cute little outfit. I cannot wait till we go to the pumpkin patch or wherever we go and they can wear these cute little outfits. Now these pants have little sparkles on them, and this is a solid black. And girl, I wish they had these in my size, because I would have picked up every color for me for the season, baby. This baby powder blue with this baby pink. Powder blue and baby pink, honey. And look at the buttons. So cute. And then here's the shirt. This is for Miss KK, Miss Michaela. Look at the cute shirt to go with it. Be kind to all kinds. Love it. And then these are the pants they had to go with it. She has a cute little coral color. I'm not sure if it's picking up on screen. A gray, like a Earl Grey, or I'm not sure what you call it. It's a gray color. And then the cute little flower pattern that matches the same flower pattern here. Adorable. And I was really upset because I wanted to find a full outfit for my son, but they just didn't have any. They had some cute little Gap two-piece fleece sets, not fleece, some Gap two-piece sets for boys, but I just didn't like the pattern. To me, they were not very fall. They weren't the fall edition. They were just something warm to put on. And I really wanted something that matched them kind of cute, that I could get some pictures in. And so, yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Again, I am recovering from a sinus infection, you guys. So please bear with me as I recover, and I will show myself again on screen real soon. Your girl has been so busy. I just got so much to update you all on. It's been busy. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the love and support. Stay safe and stay blessed.